Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack magazine. And in our February issue, you can read all about the growth of Metropolitan Baking Company. Joining me today is CEO George Kordas to tell us more about the company's latest expansion. Thanks for joining me today, George.
Thanks for having me, Charlotte. And just to appreciate the PR, appreciate the story. We love this industry, and I just can't tell you how much we appreciate you telling our story and letting the industry and your viewers know who Metropolitan Baking Company is.
Well, thank you. We so appreciate you letting us be partners and telling that story. But I'd love if you could tell our audience today a little bit more about what led to this expansion, this new production line that we featured in our February issue.
Sure. Well, it was really a two-pronged kind of event. One was we were busting at the seams. We had on our bun and roll line, we were near capacity, and we were looking at future customers, and it was a frustrating scenario gauging if we could handle that capacity or not. The second was saying, okay, we've got some older equipment. It's still working. They were workhorses, but we were getting to a point where it was potentially going to be a catastrophic event with our older oven, older proof box. And we were looking at and saying, okay, can we update these? What's it going to cost to update it? What's it going to cost to update the controls? After kind of a thorough review, we decided it was nearing the cost of potentially purchasing new equipment, but at the same time saying, hey, we can also increase warehouse space, dock space. And that's where we put it all together. We said, let's kill two birds with one stone. Let's gain, some state-of-the-art dock space, some new warehouse space, but also increase capacity and efficiency.
So, how is the new production line supporting Metropolitan Baking's growth right now?
It's been fantastic. We really fired up late June. We're tempering the kind of growth. We're not trying to absolutely maximize it yet. We're slowly notching it up, month over month. But what we're anticipating is a solid 35 to 40% increase in capacity on our bun and roll line. That's going to offer a ton of opportunities for us, both regionally and nationally, to not only take care of our current customers and add on to what we're current, our offerings for them, but knock on doors nationally. We were getting to a point beforehand where we didn't know if we had that capacity. Now we do.
That's fantastic. So, what do you think the future looks like for Metropolitan Baking Company?
It's really exciting. We're the most diversified from a customer base that we've ever been. We're currently delivering and products to restaurants, schools, institutions, universities, stadiums. We're also what we consider ourselves kind of a baker's baker. We're co-packing for several large national and regional bakers, and the product is just coming off this line looking fantastic. I think we're running some of the best buns in the country right now in Michigan, and I think that quality is going to show itself. It's going to really snowball as our product gets kind of placed in front of new customers, new clientele, and I think the sky's truly the limit. But we also want to make sure we've got the conservative mindset that we've always kind of carried, and make it nice, slow, steady growth over the long haul.
Well, it sounds like really exciting times at Metropolitan Baking Company. And thank you so much, George, for joining me today to share more of that story with our viewers.